What if you had a tireless assistant who could help you analyze your qualitative data faster and more thoroughly? With Skimle, you do. Skimle offers a GDPR-compliant and fully transparent artificial intelligence platform that codes your data, verifies the full accuracy of all your codes, and generates a logical hierarchical coding scheme. This video will demonstrate how easily Skimle creates a holistic analysis of your data, whether it's interviews, news articles, patents, reports, or more. First, you need to enter a name for your project and choose the language you want to generate the analysis in. You can also enter the purpose or goal of your project if you want. This can help the AI focus the analysis, but it is optional. The analysis process is simple. You simply upload documents to the platform, which will automatically analyze their content and create diverse metadata such as document name, author, and date. After a while, the platform suggests the type of knowledge you can extract from your documents, along with example codes of what the results would look like. In this video, we pick two kinds of content known as insight types in Skimle: good practices and challenges encountered. You can also add your own insight type. For example, if we were interested in conflict, we would enter that as our insight type. You don't need to worry about getting the insight type right because you can always come back and run additional analysis on the insight types of your choice. Here you see the results of the AI analysis in what we call the spreadsheet view. On the very top, you see the two insight types we extracted along with the main categories of insights under them. Every row represents one of the documents we uploaded, and the cells contain the insights from those documents. Within each cell, the bolded headings represent subcategories that group document insights into a more refined structure. When you click on an insight, you will see some basic information about it as well as the associated codes from the document. By clicking on the small icon, Skimle takes you to the context of that code in the original document. Skimle has a sophisticated chat engine with a customized reasoning process. When you ask a question, the engine goes through all the relevant insights and searches the documents for additional information. Unlike regular chat services and Microsoft Copilot, the resulting answer is not confined to the documents that happen to best match your question, but the service uses insights from all the documents in your project. The chat provides these little diamond symbols for all the insights that the answer is based on. Although the AI is pretty good, it sometimes draws conclusions that are not entirely warranted by the data. To address this issue, Skimle makes it really easy to click on the insights and check out the original codes. Skimle also has an early version of this feature called Summaries. It automatically creates this hierarchical report that summarizes every category and subcategory. At the lowest level, it also provides you with a set of interesting original codes that exemplify the category contents. You can export the summary reports in fully formatted Word documents to really speed up your workflow. In the future, you can configure the reports to your needs to emphasize specific themes or documents you consider particularly important. Why do you need Skimle if you already have a paid subscription to ChatGPT? In short, there are 3 reasons. Skimle provides superior transparency, comprehensiveness, and data management that is not matched by any other service. Skimle allows you to analyze over 100 documents at a time, while ChatGPT is currently confined to 10 documents. And even when you only analyze 10 documents, it will actually use a fairly small share of them to answer any one question. Here you see the leading O3 model summarize key insights from the interviews. While the resulting answer is compelling, it lacks in both comprehensiveness and transparency. You would have to run additional queries to understand the contents of each interview. There are also likely to be significant and opaque biases in the ways ChatGPT chooses the documents and specific paragraphs of text to base its answer on. ChatGPT lacks the persistent data structure that allows you to go back to the key findings and quickly zoom from high-level summaries to specific passages in your documents. While it provides references, they are at a coarse level that makes verifying the results cumbersome. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please check out the service at skimle.com.